Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine at home. Today our topic is Simple Machines Part 1, which is under Class 5, Subject Science, Chapter number 11, Force and Energy. Now students, what do you mean by simple machines? Simple machines are tools which make our work easier and faster. So in simple language, the definition of simple machine is that simple machines are tools which make our work easier and faster. They help us to do work by applying force at a convenient point, which either changes the direction of force or increases the force applied. So, I repeat, simple machines, they help us to do work by applying force at a convenient point. Students, in our previous video, we have learned about force and its types. So, it helps us to do work by applying force at a convenient point, which either changes the direction of force or increases the force applied. Some examples of simple machines are lever, inclined plane, wheel and axle, pulley and screw. So these are the examples of simple machines which we will now learn in detail. Students, in today's video we will learn in detail about lever and inclined plane. In our next video, that is Simple Machines Part 2, we will learn in detail about wheel and axle, pulley and screw. So let us learn today about lever and inclined plane. First we will learn about the simple machine lever. A lever is a simple machine which make our work easier and faster. Students, have you seen someone using a rod to lift a heavy rock? He pushes one end of the rod under the rock to be lifted. A small stone is kept as a support for the rod, very close to the rock under the rod, as you can see in the picture. He uses a downward force on the other end of the rod. The rock is lifted upwards. Here the rod is a lever. The weight lifted by the person is the load. The point of support or the pivot point of the rod where it touches the small stone is the fulcrum, as you can see in the diagram. The force used is the effort. Levers can be classified according to the position of the fulcrum, the load and the effort. Now students, you can see these are the examples of a first class lever. These are the examples of a first class lever. You can see in the diagram, when the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort, it is a first class lever. The fulcrum is denoted by F, the load is denoted by L, and the effort is denoted by E. So when the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort, it is a first class lever. Examples of first class levers are pliers, scissors, hammer, etc. Next, this shows the second class levers. When the load L is in between the fulcrum F and the effort E, it is a second class lever. Examples of second class lever are bottle opener, nutcracker, wheelbarrow, etc. Next, these shows the third class levers. When the effort E is in between the fulcrum F and the load L, it is a third class lever. Examples of third class levers are fishing rod, ice tongs, tweezers, etc. Now students, we will learn about the inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope which makes our work easier. Like walking up a slope is easier than climbing a ladder to the same height. When workers have to load or unload a truck, they use a plank of wood as an inclined plane, as you can see in the picture. In hospitals and some other buildings, inclined planes called ramps are provided next to staircases. These help in pushing up wheelchairs. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is Simple Machines Part 1. In today's topic, we have learned about lever, the types of lever. There are three types of lever, that is first class lever, second class lever, third class lever, and we have also learned the examples of different classes of levers. Next, we have learned about the inclined plane and its uses, which make our work easier and faster. So I hope students you have understood today's topic properly. So study properly at home, keep watching the videos and take care of yourself.